I posted a video about using the time, not to be used by the time. And this is about money, using the money, not to be used by the money. Same koan, Joshu. After awakening, it took 30 years to know how to use time. Money, if you think about it, there's a saying, what was it? No, two things that popped up. One was at the business school I went. In the toilet there's a graffiti, little tiny word which says mega bucks ahead, MBA. And I think it was Charlie Munger, the same as those business school idea. Charlie Munger said he wanted to be independent and wealthy, or maybe wealthy and independent. I think that was his early life working as a lawyer, and came to the decision that he didn't want to be producing for the time, the money connected. So he wanted to go beyond. That made him to work with Warren Buffett, and he found a way. So independence is your freeness from money, you can say that, but also from time. That was the other video. So this video, my life and the idea of being independent and wealthy. But what about independent no matter what? So you don't have to be wealthy to be independent. It's even better. So I think that's Zen life, like a Joshu, using the time, using the brain, not to be used by the money. Not to justify, I also found money is something I don't want to be pulled into. I think it's similar to Charlie Munger. I'm hesitant to compare because I'm in a different level, different league. But beyond money is even better. So this video, I guess, maybe self-justifying, but on that subject, here's what I think. Like living in this tiny room in this tiny hotel, very cheap, I feel comfortable. I think Warren Buffett lives in the same house he bought like 50 years ago. I can understand that. No matter how big a house and multiple houses you have, you can be only in one location one time, and you can only sleep in one bed. So no, to be satisfied. There must be a proverb on that one, which is the same as this is a Chinese saying, small desire, learn to be satisfied. That's the calligraphy I did and posted in the house in New Zealand. It's a luxury, you can call it, to have a house in New Zealand. But I don't want it to be the luxury. It is, but the spirit is important. I lived in a minivan, and before that I even lived in the Tassel at the beginning. For 30 some years, every year going to New Zealand, I stayed in the car and traveled just for the fishing. That was independent and wealthy in my way. I did do the hitchhike, and even this age sometimes I do. There's something about doing your best, not just relaxing in a. I don't like to be wasting my money, that's one. Also, spending money in the manner that is luxury. You can only sit in one chair at one time. Someone said that I may be sitting on the toilet, but I'm sitting next to the washing bowl and the bed, and I know this is like a little peeling off the paint, but that's okay with me. I think it's better if they do some painting, but what is the point? The point is how you feel to be independent. But independent meaning, freedom is one word to describe, but freedom indicate free from something, from the money. But what about free from time? That's the koan and the video I said. The same, free from money and find a way. It's much more liberating that you are not confined and playing the game in the way society think that you should play the game, because look at the house they have, and there are 5 houses, and this is a huge yacht. I find the tree and the grass and the nature is more beautiful than those polished, wasteful way of cruising around. I had a sailboat too, actually, small one, 28-foot Catalina, and on the sailboat at the Marina del Rey, the usage there on the water sailing is perhaps 5% of the time. Most of the time it's sitting there. So I rent it out when I'm not using, but that's the same story about 5 houses and super yacht. If you are free in a small hotel and find a way and give away all the money for the poor, but also not so mainly for the poor, in my view, is I'm going to give 95% of my little wealth to Vipassana. That's the will. Why? For people to come and spend 10 days sitting. I think that's the good thing. Whatever the reason they do it. I had my own reason to do it 26 years ago. And you need to have a commitment, and I did have. That was not easy. So that's for not to be used by the time and money. You can say that. People may come for any reason. It could be relationship or sickness, whatever. But I view that idea is to know who we really are, connecting to the heart. And the will to find what's the core of our being. You can say that's the idea, may help to live life liberated, not to be confined. Because other people do it, you want to do it. Maybe I have been rebellious. I wrote in the little book, Me and My Religion. I posted in the ASH package a story of me not looking at the camera when I was graduating from the college. I didn't know I was playful, but when they take the photo, 1, 2, 3, I was not looking at the camera. Something told me to do that. That was a little crazy, but my best rebuttal, best something I wanted to see, because in Japan and those days, and you go to this good school and good company and good life. So I was on the passage to go through that. And I was not quite sure, because there's a system, and my family and my father and influence and the environment tell you what to do. We become the slave of the way of the society that may induce you to become something. And I question that. Anyway, this was the story of the money not to be confined. Of course, it's helpful to have some money, but I hope there's some meaning of, yes, just like know how to use the time, how to use money, not to be used by the money, not to be used by the brain, not to be used by the AI. Be free, liberated. I guess I had the intuition. At the time, I wasn't sure about the Zen when I did that camera at the graduation, the photo taking. But that was something, a seed I had inside myself. I'm 78. Wow. I'm still talking. I hope you make the most and have a happy life. May all beings be happy, no matter what. Thank you. Let's work on it.